Introduction: Using Bespoke Data Visualizations. There are disagreements about the use of bespoke data visualizations in Tableau, and it is key, actually essential, that we address them right here. So let us talk about the reasons for and against using bespoke data visualizations. The first positive reason is to have fun. I'm a big believer that the more fun you have, the more you will learn, the better you will become. So seriously, use it to have fun. To go beyond the norm. I personally am anti-norm. I want to push, I want to see where the boundaries are. I want to push my techniques. I want to go beyond. And I would encourage you all to try the same. And lastly, to explore your creativity. As I've mentioned, if you see something, if you see a menu, a poster, anything, and you find it inspiring, you can explore your creativity and try to build that within Tableau. I think even the process of building, reimagining, trying to do it has serious value. Now, reasons to not use bespoke visualizations. Do not use them in every situation. Because you can doesn't mean you should. And in a lot of situations, the simpler the better. However, if you're building a portfolio and you want some pieces to stand out, you want some more avant-garde pieces to really showcase your talents, why not? However, don't use them in every situation, and definitely do not force these upon your end users. Do never, ever. This does not just apply for bespoke data visualizations, it applies for every possible chart type. Try to not lose insights. Bespoke visualizations can be very engaging. However, if through this you lose insights, you lose the ability to make decisions, then that is a huge negative. So be very cautious. Because this looks cool, if it doesn't help the end user get from looking at the data, having that aha moment, and then making a decision, be very cautious. And I always say this, do not use them on client work. Now, I am having an internal debate about the new norm. So for now, a lot of people like and are used to seeing bar charts, line charts, KPIs displayed in what I would consider a more classical way. However, my internal debate is I believe that yesterday's technology, yesterday's best practice is always superseded by something that is new. So in this world, what is the new normal? I think, for example, Sankey charts was not a big thing. However, a lot of platforms have used this, and now we as a society are becoming more adept at reading this. So therefore, there might be a new normal soon, but for now, avoid bespoke data visualizations on client work. More importantly, because whoever's taken over that piece might not appreciate that you've built something that he or she may not be able to understand. So again, use with caution, use to have fun, but really do not use in every situation, and definitely do not use if insights are lost.